Have you ever wondered why some people manage to get rich while others live paycheck to paycheck? The difference is not just in how much they earn, but in what they do with their money. And the best part? The habits that lead to wealth are not unreachable secrets. Anyone can adopt them, including you. In this video, I'll reveal 5 secrets that rich people know and apply daily to accumulate wealth. And the best part, you can start putting them into practice today. And stay with me until the end, because I'll share a bonus tip that can accelerate your path to financial independence even more. So, if you want to break free from the cycle of debt, learn to multiply your money, and build a solid financial future, hit the like button on this video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any content that will transform your financial life. Now let's get straight to the point. Many people believe that getting rich is only for those who are born into wealthy families or earn high salaries. But this is one of the biggest lies that prevent people from achieving financial freedom. The truth is that what really matters are the habits and decisions you make every day. Think about it. How many times have you heard someone say they can't save because they earn too little, or that investing is too complicated? These limiting beliefs are exactly what keep many people stuck in a tight financial life. Meanwhile, rich people follow simple but powerful rules that make money work for them. The problem is that most people never learn these rules, and that's exactly what we're going to change today. I'll show you how small actions can create huge results in the long run. And the best part, you don't need to earn a fortune to start. Are you ready to discover what sets rich people apart from everyone else? Then, let's get to the first secret. Now that you understand that the difference is not in how much you earn, but in how you use your money, it's time to reveal the 5 secrets that rich people know and apply every day. Each one is simple, practical, and can be put into practice immediately, no matter your current financial situation. And remember, financial success doesn't happen overnight, but through small, consistent actions over time. The good news is that you don't have to wait years to see results. The sooner you start, the sooner you'll see your financial situation improve. So, pay attention to each secret because they could be the turning point in your journey toward financial independence. And don't forget, at the end of the video, there's a bonus tip that can accelerate your progress even more. Let's go? The first secret is simple but powerful. Rich people always invest a portion of their income before paying any other expenses. While most people spend first and try to save what's left, and there's almost never anything left, the rich do the opposite. They put their money to work before spending it on daily things. How can you apply this in practice? As soon as you receive your paycheck, set aside at least 10% to invest. And it doesn't have to be complicated. Start with simple investments like ETFs or index funds. The important thing is to develop the habit of investing every month without fail. And here's a bonus tip to make this process easier. Automate this step. Set up an automatic transfer to your investment account as soon as your paycheck hits. That way, you don't have to rely on willpower. The investment happens automatically, ensuring consistency and long-term growth. The second secret is not to rely on a single source of income. Rich people understand that relying solely on a paycheck is risky and limiting. That's why they constantly seek new ways to make money, creating multiple income streams. And you can do the same, even without quitting your current job. Start by exploring freelance opportunities, creating an online business, or investing in income-generating assets like stock dividends or rental properties. The key is to diversify your income sources to increase your financial security and speed up wealth accumulation. And if you don't know where to start, here's a bonus tip. Identify a skill you already have and turn it into an extra income source. For example, if you're good at graphic design, writing, or digital marketing, there are several online platforms where you can offer your services and make money without leaving home. The third secret is to pay attention to invisible expenses, those small daily costs that seem harmless but add up to large amounts over the month. Rich people know exactly where their money goes and avoid waste that brings no real benefit. For example, subscriptions to services you rarely use, impulse purchases, and eating out every day may seem like small expenses, but by the end of the month, they make a big difference. The idea is not to live a life of deprivation, but to eliminate expenses that don't add value to your life, freeing up more money to invest and grow financially. And to make this process simpler, here's a bonus tip. Use financial tracking apps to monitor your expenses. There are several simple and easy-to-use options that help you visualize where your money is going and identify where you can save without sacrificing your quality of life. The fourth secret is to understand the power of time and compound interest. This is the greatest ally of anyone who wants to accumulate wealth in the long term. The difference between those who get rich and those who don't often lies in starting early and letting time work in their favor. Imagine that you invest just $100 a month in an index fund with an average annual return of 8%. In 30 years, that amount turns into more than $150,000, without you having to do anything besides continuing to invest regularly. And if you start even earlier, the result will be even greater. The secret here is consistency, because time exponentially amplifies results. And to maximize this effect, follow this bonus tip. Reinvest all the returns you receive. Instead of spending the dividends or interest you earn, let that money keep growing. This is the magic of compound interest. Money generates more money, creating a cycle of increasingly accelerated growth. The fifth secret is to invest in financial knowledge. Rich people know that the more they learn about money, the better decisions they can make. That's why they are always studying, reading books, watching videos, taking courses, and seeking mentors who can help them improve. And you can do the same by dedicating at least 30 minutes a week to learning more about personal finance, investments, and personal development. Start by reading classic books like Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki and The Richest Man in Babylon by George S. Clason. Also, follow finance channels on YouTube, join online communities, and always look for new ideas to improve your financial life. But there's one important detail. It's not enough to just consume content. The most important thing is to put what you learn into practice. Action is what turns knowledge into real results. So, every time you learn something new, ask yourself, how can I apply this to my life today? Now that you know the 5 secrets that rich people use to accumulate wealth, the choice is in your hands. Don't wait for the perfect moment to start, because the best time is now. Even small actions, when done consistently, have the power to completely transform your financial life. So here's the challenge. Choose at least one of these secrets and start applying it today. It could be automating an investment, cutting an unnecessary expense, or looking for a new income source. The important thing is to take the first step. And I want to know, which of these secrets will you apply first? Leave your comment below and share your decision. And if this video brought value to you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now, let's get to the bonus tip that can speed up your path to financial freedom even more. Here's the bonus tip I promised at the beginning. Rich people are not afraid to fail. They understand that every mistake brings a valuable lesson, and that's what helps them evolve faster and faster. The difference is that while many people are paralyzed by the fear of failure, rich people use each failure as a stepping stone to go further. So, don't wait to have all the answers before you start. Take the first step, even if it's small, and adjust your path as you go. The important thing is to break out of inertia and take action, because financial success is built day by day with simple and consistent decisions. And to keep learning how to build wealth in a practical and accessible way, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell to receive the next videos. See you in the next video.